Dear colleagues, friends, and everyone gathered at the Knowledge Graph conference in New York, it's an honor to accept this Lifetime Achievement Award alongside Jim Hendler and Lassila. Thank you. I only wish I could be with you in person. It's 25 years since the three of us wrote the Semantic Web paper for Scientific American. We described a web in which data, if not documents, could be understood and connected by machines to create a web of data with meaning. Today, the semantic web is no longer just an idea. It's running enterprise systems, scientific research, healthcare, and increasingly AI, much of it built by people in the room. The early web worked because it was built on open standards and shared meaning. AI needs the same foundations. Without it, we get systems that are powerful but not interoperable. With it, we get a digital world that actually serves people. So thank you, not only for the Knowledge Graph conference with the award, but to all the engineers, researchers, and standards contributors who keep building on the work, keep the web open and meaningful for everyone. The next chapter of the web is being shaped by AI. Whether it's a web we can trust depends on whether it's built on real, structured, connected knowledge. That's the work that we have in front of us. So keep up the good work. Thank you.